In the years following World War II, the balance of global power shifted dramatically. Much of Europe and Asia faced the enormous task of rebuilding after years of destruction. Industrial capacity, transportation systems, and entire cities had been damaged or destroyed. The United States, by contrast, emerged from the war with its economy intact and its industrial production at historic levels. This position allowed the United States to take on a far larger role in shaping the international system. One of the earliest efforts to stabilize the post-war world was the Marshall Plan, launched in 1948. The program directed billions of dollars in economic assistance to Western European nations rebuilding their economies. Factories reopened, transportation networks were restored, and trade gradually resumed across the continent. The program also strengthened economic connections between the United States and Western Europe, linking their recovery to a broader system of international cooperation. During the 1950s, the United States also expanded a network of alliances and security partnerships. NATO connected the United States with Western European countries in a collective defense agreement, while additional arrangements extended American military cooperation into Asia and the Pacific. American forces established bases across multiple continents, creating a global infrastructure that allowed the United States to operate far beyond its own borders. Economic influence expanded as well. American investment increased overseas, and international institutions such as the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund played growing roles in supporting reconstruction, development, and trade. At the same time, American culture circulated widely. Hollywood films, jazz music, and consumer products reached audiences across Europe, Latin America, and Asia. For many people around the world, these cultural exports offered their first direct encounter with American society. Not all American involvement occurred publicly. In some regions experiencing political instability, U.S. intelligence agencies supported efforts intended to influence political outcomes. These actions reflected a broader belief among American leaders that international stability was closely tied to American security and economic interests. By the end of the decade, the United States maintained alliances across multiple continents, supported international economic institutions, and operated a global network of military bases and diplomatic relationships. The 1950s were not only a period of change within the United States, they were also the decade in which the country consolidated a new international role, helping shape the political, economic, and strategic framework of the post-war world.